Do you know that with AI, you can actually create multiple income streams right from your laptop, sitting at home? Yes, you don't need to be a tech genius or an expert. With the right tools and strategies, AI can help you make up to 1 lakh rupees per month or even more. So in this video, I'll share 12 powerful income ideas using AI with full details of what they are, how they work, and how much you can realistically earn. Let's get started. Companies, blogs, and websites constantly need fresh content. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai, you can create high-quality articles, product descriptions, ad copies, or even newsletters. Example: a freelancer on Upwork charges 2,000 rupees for a 1,000-word blog. If you write just 50 blogs a month using AI assistance, that's 1 lakh rupees already. You only need editing skills and niche knowledge to polish AI's output. Video is, honestly, the future of content. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok are just exploding right now. AI tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or Runway can really help you make faceless videos, animations, and even voiceovers with ease. For example, you can create explainer videos for businesses, or just post your own niche content channel. And yeah, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even client work. Blogging is still alive and, totally profitable. The twist is, AI can speed up keyword research, SEO-friendly article writing, and even automate publishing, making the whole process way easier. So, for example, a niche blog in fitness or travel can actually get a lot of traffic through Google, and then you can earn through ads, affiliate marketing, or even by selling digital products. Over time, a well-ranked blog can generate passive income every single month. Not everyone knows coding, but AI tools like Wix AI Durable and 10Web can help you build websites in just a few minutes. You can offer this as a freelance service or even build your own websites for selling products. For example, a simple business website can be charged at around 15,000 to 30,000 rupees. If you build just 4 to 5 sites in a month, you're already near 1 lakh rupees. Design work is in huge demand. Logos, banners, ads, thumbnails. With AI tools like Canva, Midjourney, or Adobe Firefly, you can design stunning graphics in just a few minutes. For example, you can sell logo design packages on Fiverr, starting from 1,500 rupees each, do 70 orders in a month, and that's 1 lakh rupees. AI can help you research, write, and format books on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. So, for example, you can publish ebooks on topics like self-help, fitness, or even finance. If one book earns you around 20,000 rupees per month, then just 5 books can bring in 1 lakh rupees. Pretty cool, right? These days, every business wants to grow on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. With AI tools such as Buffer, Hootsuite, and ChatGPT, you can easily generate captions, schedule posts, and even create content calendars without much hassle. For instance, you could offer social media management packages to small businesses and charge about 25,000 rupees per client. With just 4 clients, you can make 1 lakh rupees every month. Sounds doable, doesn't it? Not everyone really understands AI tools, but if you take the time to learn them and then teach others, you can actually create a course, run coaching sessions, or even offer consulting. It's a great way to earn while helping people out. For example, let's say you conduct 10 workshops in a month, charging 10,000 rupees each. That adds up to 1 lakh rupees. Pretty cool, right? AI voice tools like 11 Labs Murph or Play.he can turn text into realistic narration. It's honestly amazing how your words can come to life with just a bit of AI power. So, for example, you could convert books into audiobooks and sell them on Audible. Or, offer narration services for clients as well. Audiobooks are really growing in demand globally. With AI music tools like SoundRaw, AIVA, or Boomi, you can actually create original tracks. For example, you could sell background music for YouTube creators, ads, or even Spotify playlists. Licensing music can actually bring in recurring royalties. So, starting your own online store is easier than ever because AI can really help with product research, marketing, SEO, and even writing those product descriptions. And when you combine dropshipping with AI, you save a massive amount of time. For example, let's say your store sells 3 lakhs rupees per month and you keep a 30% profit. That's 1 lakh rupees net income. Basically, businesses need customer support around the clock. With tools like ManyChat, Tidio, and BotPress, you can actually build smart chatbots to handle that. For example, you can sell chatbot setup services to companies for about 20,000 rupees each. With just 5 clients, that's 1 lakh rupees. Pretty cool, right? So, these were 12 powerful AI income ideas you can actually start today. Remember, you really don't need to master all of them. Just pick 1 or maybe 2 ideas, go deep, and scale them up. Because honestly, with consistency, you can actually achieve that 1 lakh per month milestone. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for full details, just search AI Digital Hustle Hub to watch the entire guide.